Hello, everyone.
Hi there.
Welcome to Pronounce Faster, your podcast for learning natural English.
We make fluency fun through shadowing and real conversations.
I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mike.
New listeners, let's explain shadowing first.
Shadowing means you repeat everything we say, like our shadow.
When I say hello, everyone, you say hello, everyone, too.
When he says that sounds great, you say that sounds great.
Don't read along, just listen and copy our voice.
Copy our rhythm, our speed, our pronunciation.
If you miss a word, don't stop. Keep going.
Practice makes perfect. The more you shadow, the better your English becomes.
Are you ready to try? Let's start shadowing.
We're here in our recording studio today.
It's nice and quiet here.
Perfect for practicing English together.
We have our microphones ready.
And we're excited to share today's topic with you.
Today we're talking about cooking disasters.
Oh no, cooking disasters.
Everyone has funny cooking stories.
Kitchen mistakes happen to everyone.
Even professional chefs make mistakes sometimes.
It's how we learn and get better.
So Mike, do you have a cooking disaster story?
Oh yes, I have a terrible one.
Tell me about it.
This happened last year. I invited friends over for dinner.
That sounds nice.
I wanted to cook pasta for everyone.
Pasta is usually easy to make.
That's what I thought too. I put a big pot of water on the stove.
Good start.
I turned the heat on high to boil the water faster.
Makes sense.
Then I went to the living room to talk with my friends.
Oh no, you left the kitchen.
Yes, that was my big mistake.
What happened next?
We were talking and laughing. Suddenly we heard a loud beeping sound.
The smoke alarm?
Exactly, the smoke alarm was going off.
That's not good.
We all ran to the kitchen.
Was there a fire?
No fire, but lots of smoke. All the water had boiled away.
Oh my goodness.
The bottom of the pot was completely black.
You burned the pot?
I burned it so badly. The smell was terrible.
I can imagine.
My friends were very understanding.
That's good.
But I was so embarrassed.
What did you do for dinner?
We ordered pizza instead.
Pizza is always a good backup plan.
My friends actually thought it was funny.
At least they had a good sense of humour.
Now I always set a timer when I cook.
That's a smart lesson to learn.
What about you, Sarah? Any cooking disasters?
Oh yes, I have a really embarrassing one.
I want to hear this story.
It was my sister's birthday last month.
You cooked for her birthday?
I tried to bake her a chocolate cake.
Baking can be tricky.
I found a recipe online.
Did you follow it carefully?
I thought I did. I measured all the ingredients.
That's important in baking.
I mixed the flour, eggs and butter.
Sounds right so far.
Then I added what I thought was sugar.
What do you mean, what you thought was sugar?
Well, I grabbed a white container from the cabinet.
Oh no, it wasn't sugar.
It was salt.
You put salt instead of sugar in a cake?
A whole cup of salt.
That must have tasted awful.
I didn't know until after I baked it.
You didn't taste the batter first.
No, I wanted it to be a surprise.
What happened when you tasted the cake?
It was the saltiest thing I've ever eaten.
I can't even imagine.
My sister took one bite and made a terrible face.
Poor thing.
She was trying to be polite.
That's a good sister.
She said, "It's very interesting."
That's a nice way to put it.
I felt so bad.
What did you do?
I ran to the store and bought a cake.
Good thinking.
Now I always taste ingredients before I add them.
Another important cooking lesson.
We both learned from our mistakes.
Cooking disasters can be good teachers.
And they make funny stories later.
That's true.
Do you know what's interesting about cooking disasters?
What's that?
They happen in every culture around the world.
You're absolutely right.
In my family, we still laugh about my grandmother's kitchen mistakes.
Family cooking stories are the best.
She once put paprika instead of cinnamon in apple pie.
That sounds like a strange combination,
It was bright red and very spicy.
but everyone still ate it?
Of course, it became a family legend.
That's so sweet.
What about your family, Mike?
My dad once tried to deep fry a frozen turkey.
Oh no, that sounds dangerous.
It was. The fire department had to come.
Really?
The turkey was still frozen inside.
Frozen turkey and hot oil don't mix well.
Now we just buy our turkey pre-cooked.
Much safer that way.
These stories teach us important lessons.
Always read the instructions carefully.
Taste your food as you cook.
Don't leave the kitchen when something is cooking,
And have a backup plan ready.
like a pizza delivery number.
Exactly.
Now let's practice some cooking vocabulary.
Great idea.
I'll say a cooking word, you repeat it.
Kitchen disaster.
Kitchen disaster.
Burned.
Burned.
Overcooked.
Overcooked.
Salty.
Salty.
Ingredients.
Ingredients.
Recipe.
Recipe. Now let's try some cooking phrases.
I forgot to set a timer.
I forgot to set a timer.
The smoke alarm went off.
The smoke alarm went off.
I mixed up the ingredients.
I mixed up the ingredients. It tasted terrible.
It tasted terrible.
I had to start over.
I had to start over.
We ordered takeout instead.
We ordered takeout instead.
Next time I'll be more careful.
Next time I'll be more careful.
Excellent shadowing practice, everyone.
You're getting better with every sentence.
Let's talk about some cooking tips to avoid disasters.
Great idea.
Always read the recipe twice before starting.
Check that you have all ingredients first,
Measure everything carefully.
especially with baking,
Set timers for everything.
even if you think you'll remember.
Taste your food while cooking.
This helps you adjust flavors.
Keep a fire extinguisher in your kitchen.
Safety first.
And don't be afraid to ask for help.
Cooking with friends is more fun anyway.
These tips will help you avoid major disasters.
Cooking disasters happen to everyone.
Even famous chefs have kitchen failures.
The important thing is to learn from mistakes.
And don't give up cooking.
Practice makes you a better cook.
Just like shadowing makes you better at English.
Speaking of which, great job shadowing with us today.
Remember, shadowing takes practice. Don't worry if it felt difficult.
Try listening to this episode again tomorrow. It will be easier.
Focus on copying our rhythm, not just the words.
And speak out loud. Don't just think the words in your head.
Your mouth needs practice moving for English sounds.
Listen to us every day and your English will improve fast.
We believe in you. Keep practicing, keep shadowing.
Now listeners, tell us about your cooking disasters.
Write in the comments below.
We love to read your funny stories.
And remember to subscribe.
Click the like button.
Share with your friends.
It helps us so much.
Thank you for listening today.
Keep practicing your English.
See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye, Mike.
Goodbye, Sarah.
Pronounce faster.